How to change Instagram notification sound. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change Instagram notification sound. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to access to the app info section of Instagram. For that, tap and hold Instagram app. Then select the I button from this drop-down menu box. When you access to the app info section, select manage notification. Before changing Instagram notification sound, make sure to toggle on the button for allow notifications. Scroll down and here you will see under direct there is Instagram direct, direct request or direct video call. Under Instagram, there are other notifications as well for alerts, comment like, first post and stories and many more. Simply, you can choose any of those. And suppose if you want to change the Instagram notification sound for Instagram Direct, simply open Instagram Direct and make sure to toggle the button on for Instagram Direct. Tap ringtone option and here you can easily choose the custom ringtone or from the alert tones also you can easily choose any kind of sound and change Instagram notifications similarly for all of those. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.